Professional, premium aftermarket replacement. Provides the performance and dependability you expect. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. Country of origin: Taiwan. ACDelco Professional Headlight Connector is a high-quality aftermarket replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: ignition, starting and charging, body electrical and lighting, and/or engine fuel management. This premium aftermarket connector is manufactured to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great on 1997 Mustang Cobra. These were a great fit on my 1997 Cobra. My OEM wiring was fine, so I simply removed the wires pins from this item and plugged in my factory wires to the plastic connector. I now have a secure connection to my headlights again.